Praise the Lord, brothers and sisters. I am here with the Royal Priest. I am so glad to meet you in this video. I am fine and blessed. I believe that you too all are fine and blessed. So today in this video, I am going to talk on a topic: top 10 gospel singers. Actually, you must have saw in the title itself. So actually, I am so glad and proud to make this video because this is the first video ever made in this world till I know about gospel singers, like Indian gospel singers, because actually when I searched in YouTube I didn't even saw one video talking about the Indian gospel singers, not even one video I saw in YouTube. So I decided to make this video about my personal favorite top 10 gospel singers. Actually, I am not saying that these are the only best 10 best singers in India. No, actually, even there are many singers, but actually, like everyone have their own taste of music. So these 10 are my personal favorite gospel singers. So I'm going to share these singers about them to you. So let's go into the video, and before going to the video, do subscribe to our channel, like to and tap the bell icon. I will be posting 4 days a week, Monday to Saturday. Let's go into the video. So in my favorite list, 10th place is Ronnie Meben. Actually, only very few people know about him. So I don't know really. Much people don't know about him, but his songs are really very nice. For example, Galiyon Mein and Prem Kahani and Shaitan Ki Vaat. So these are some very nice songs, but really many people rarely know about this song. But really I have these songs in my personal playlist. These are very nice songs. You can hear the song Ronnie Meben. And about his YouTube subscriber are about 8.41k 8.41k subscribers he has in YouTube, and his Instagram followers are 9k followers. Yeah, 9k followers. And my personal favorite song of Ronnie Meben is Shaitan Ki Vaat. Next in my personal favorite list, and 9th place is, you must have known, I think so, Kenneth Silve. So he is from Pune. Every song is like very nice. I really like him. I like his songs, and even most of his songs are in my playlist because I really love his songs. And about the YouTube subscribe count is 62.4k, and about his Instagram follower count is 8,736. And my personal most favorite song of his is Beimtahan Pyar. Actually, I have heard this song more than 1,000 times. I really love this song. It's really nice song. Next, and the 8th place in my personal favorite list is Amit Kamble. Oh my God! He's very he's every song. I really like his each and every song. And he is from Solapur and currently lives in Hyderabad. And about his actually he has 2 YouTube channels. One is Amit Kamble Ministries and another one is Aga's Videos. And about the YouTube subscribe count in Amit Kamble Ministries channel is 13.2k, and in Aga's Videos channel is 30.5k. And my personal favorite song of his is Tum Dil Mein Aise Bas Gaye. Okay, so you will rest from this video. I will not sing that video. And next, 7th place in my personal favorite gospel singer is Selvam. Actually his full name is Tanga Selvam N. Yeah, Tanga Selvam N. And he is from Tamil Nadu, Chennai, but lives in Mumbai. And he is a part of the Jago Ministries. Yeah, he's a part of Jago Ministries. He is from Tamil Nadu, Chennai, but lives in Mumbai. Even though he's Tamil, but actually we can find most of his song is in Hindi. Only few songs are in Tamil, and also many collab videos with many good singers. For example, Shandil Bangera and with Alvin Thomas. He even made many collab songs with them. So you will find most of his songs in Hindi, even though it's Tamil. Very few songs you will find in Tamil. And my personal favorite of his song is Uyirulla. you can just get in the YouTube. You will is for a song. I really like the song. And about the YouTube subscriber count is his personal YouTube channel is name is Selvam Tanga Selvam. Tanga Selvam is his personal YouTube channel name. That count is very less, 4.62k. And about his personal Instagram followers count is 8k. And next comes in my personal favorite list is Sam Alex Posla. I didn't know how to spell that last word, Posla. I don't know. I'm really sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. Don't take it seriously. I will just say Sam Alex. Yeah, Sam Alex. And he is the founder of Bridge Music India. Actually, first the name for it was Last Bridge. It was a real name given to that band, Last Bridge, but eventually he changed the name as Bridge Music India. And he is the founder of Bridge Music India. He lives in Hyderabad, and I think he stayed in USA, California for few years, and then he came to India and established the band called Bridge Music India. And about his YouTube subscribe count is 21.1k. That is Bridge Music. And about his Instagram followers is 18.1k. And my personal favorite song is Chatan. I will not sing, you may get scared of my voice. And in next, 5th place, absolutely you must have heard about it, Shelly Reddy. Like, she is like, my god, her voice, actually I'm actually like I'm big fan of her voice. Her song is like really if you just really listen is 2 to 3 songs, you will become a big fan of her. So like really I like her songs very very much. And she is from Mumbai, and she has done a music course from ELM, Eternal Light Ministries. And just before 1 month she has got engaged to Samuel Raj, and the YouTube subscriber count is 62.6k, and the Instagram follower count is 15.4k. And my personal favorite song of her is Tu Bade Mega 2, legendary song. You too should listen to this song. And next, my fourth personal favorite is actually you must have know about him. Like actually he is little old, but still he has catch many heart of young people till now. His name is Alvin Thomas. Yeah, he is from Tamil Nadu, from Chennai, and his ministry name is Ruha Ministries. Simply Ruha simply means spirit. It's a Hebrew word. Ruha simply means spirit. Ruha. So his ministry name is Ruha Ministries, and he releases his song in the name of Nandri album, and the album name is Nandri. Till now he has released 8 albums. Actually, just yesterday he released his Nandri album number 8. I am shooting the video at 14 September. So my personal favorite song of Alvin Thomas is Alangara Vasarale from Nandri's album Part 7. And about his YouTube subscribe count, he has 2 channels. One is his personal channels. Here he releases every song. So it is 1 lakh 100k subscribe counts. In his channel name Alvin Thomas, and is another channel named as Ruha TV. There he has a 10.3k subscribe count, and about the Instagram followers 54.6k. Yeah, 54.6k followers. And next in my favorite list is my third favorite is Kirtan Durai. Oh my god, his songs are too deep. Actually his songs if people who are in really depression, loneliness, if they will hear these songs, they will just give their heart to Jesus. My god, his songs are really nice. And he releases his song in the name of Tunga Iravugal. Tunga Iravugal simply means sleepless night. So his album name is Sleepless Night. Actually, he even made a many collab with other singers too. But his official releases in the song's name of Tunga Iravugal. And I really don't know. First, his YouTube channel name was GD Records, but recently changed YouTube channel name as Kipson Durai. So anyway, his choice. And about his subscribe count is 35k, and about his Instagram followers account is 14.6k. And my personal favorite song is Vida Yariya Nirangal. And in my second favorite, in my personal favorite is, he's a legendary singer. Everyone might know him. His name is Sheldon Mangera. Actually, he has his own standard, his class of his songs. He is from Mumbai and is married to Anita Bangera, and he is the main part of the Jago Ministries. As I said, Selvam N, Tanga Selvam, they are part of the same ministries. His name is the main part of the Jago Ministries, and he has made many vlogs like India in Wheels, I think so. India in Wheels, yeah. He even made many concerts in USA, India, many countries. And one more thing. Till now, his main song Nachu Gaunga, it was a tremendous hit song, and that song count till now is, I think, the 1.2 crore views in that video. My god, it's a dashing song. You should actually, I know you must have known this song. A really nice song. Yeah. And about his YouTube subscribe count is 1.8 lakh. Sheldon Mangera YouTube channel, 1.8 lakh. My god. And about his Instagram followers is 65.3k. Yeah, 65.3k. And my personal favorite is, all-time favorite, Samarthe Tere Love Mein. It's a very nice song. You too should listen that song. And last but not least, my personal favorite singer, my best favorite singer is John Jebaraj. Yes, actually, like he sing his songs, his preachings are next things. But like man, like many many kind of criticism he faced, but still he's strong in his faith and doing ministries. Hates off to his faith, hates off to his strength. He's still standing in the ministry, even though facing a lot of criticism against his songs and his ministry. And the ministry's name is Levi Ministries. And actually, till I have saw is most of his song, like 50% of his songs goes in the YouTube trending section. Till now, I have never till now, my personal, I never saw a gospel song going in a trending section. But this guy, the most of it, that 50 to 60% of his song goes in the YouTube trending section. And even like songs like Uyar Malayo, it has got 1.4 crores views. Like he's almost every song goes in YouTube trending, and his almost every song has views like 4 million, 3 million, 5 million, and this Uyar Malayo songs had 40 million views. Like he's dashing. He released songs are very nice. And about his YouTube subscribe count is 3.43 lakhs. And about his Instagram follower count is 59.2k followers. Yeah. And my personal favorite song of his, Umme Nambi Vanden, Hindi version, his latest song. Umme Nambi Vanden, Hindi version. It comes as आशा करने वालों को लज्जित ना किया. Yeah, you should do the recent song. So thank you. So these are my 10% favorite gospel singer, Indian gospel singer. So like I'm not saying that he is better than him, he is better than him. No, everyone is equal. But it's my personal favorite. I thought I should share with you. So thank you. And one more thing, I have given everyone's YouTube channel link and Instagram link in my description, so go and watch them. So thank you. I believe you got something from this video. So like the video, share the video, and let me know within the comment section. And thank you. Until I meet you next video, thank you. God bless you.